Welcome to Joke Locker.
It's time for the joke of the day. But first, a word from our sponsors.
Hi kids, welcome to Joke Locker. Here we will teach you some very funny jokes. Tell these jokes to your family and friends. It's sure to make them smile. Are you ready? It's time for some jokes. Why do hummingbirds hum? Because they don't know the words. I hope you're having an awesome time filling up your joke bag with me. Bye! Thanks for watching Joke Locker. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to click that like button. Thanks for watching.